All right, to show how these are wheelchair accessible, Wes is gonna come over and fold the wheels out for me so that you can see how these legs can maneuver out of the way of a wheelchair. He takes the pin out on the extension, puts it back in, which opens this up, allows me to reach under here, which allows me to get a leg out and then rotate my chair into a locked position and allow someone to get their wheelchair close enough in order to transfer over into it. A lot of times people don't even rotate the seat to transfer in and out of their wheelchair. Just depends on their level of upper body strength. So this is kind of the steering for somebody that is paraplegic, that has full dexterous movement of their hands, and it allows them to get out there and enjoy the world off the beaten path.